Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. Today we are filming a MacBook Pro unboxing. This is the 2021 MacBook Pro 14-inch. I just bought it. Currently I own a 2012 MacBook Pro 13-inch and I have had it for 9 years. So I need an upgrade. I cannot update the software. I can edit, but it's hard to edit on it. It can be very slow, so it was time for an upgrade. And open it. And take out the box. And here we go. Got the little tab right here. Got the new there we go. And here we go. Oof. So it's a 2021 MacBook Pro in space gray. So it's beautiful. This is what it looks like. Beautiful. This does have the where I can put in my SD card. So I wanted that. It doesn't have Touch ID, which is I'm fine without it. And this is the first time I don't have a CD card slot. Here is what it comes with. Here is the charging, which is still MagSafe, which I love. MagSafe is the greatest. Okay, so here's the wire. Does it come with a cord? Okay, here's the brick. I thought this ain't no brick, but I actually have another extender, so they work the same. Lovely sound. So I just plug it in here. And then, yeah, so this is the charger with the MagSafe thing, and you got your brick. Like normal, I had already an extender, so they don't come with those anymore. And then the instructions. Here are the instructions, which nobody really uses these anyway, so. These are nice black stickers for a change. I'm impressed. And then, yeah. It's a lot lighter. And then this is, oh, it turns on right away. Forget about that. It has the Touch ID. So I am not going to set it up right now because I am in the middle of working, but I will show you guys a little bit about it. Like I said, it does have the SD card slot. The 13-inch does not, but the 14 does. Yeah. So here is my MacBook Pro. I'll talk to you guys in another video. I hope you guys enjoyed my little unboxing. And yeah, bye guys.